So this is my Tinkercad circuit for my cleaning robot. It consists of 3 distance sensors, 2 motors, one for each wheel on the robot, a power source, and an Arduino Uno, as well as a breadboard to connect everything together. And the purpose of this circuit is to control the cleaning robot so it can detect where the trash is and then move over to vacuum it up. And so without further ado, let's start the simulation. So first things first, after it initializes all the pins and all the variables, first the robot enters standby mode, in which it waits for a signal from the feeding robot so it can start cleaning until it actually receives the signal from the feeding robot. It will not move. So even if the sensors are detecting trash in the area, it won't actually start to clean until it is told to from the feeding robot. So let's send that signal. For this example, I will represent that by typing in a Y into the terminal. And now that it has the OK signal, it finally starts to move. So first, it checks its sensors to see where the trash is. Firstly, it checks the middle sensor, the one on the front, if that is picking up trash within its detection range. Then both of these motors will move at full speed. So this moves at full speed, and this will move at full speed to tell the robot to move forward. But if this frontal sensor doesn't pick up trash, then it will check the one on the left, and if that one detects any trash, then in that case, the rightmost motor will move at full speed, but a motor on the left will only move at half speed, so that the robot will turn left. But if the left sensor isn't detecting any trash, then it will check the one on the right. And if the one on the right detects trash, then the opposite happens. The motor on the left will move at full speed, but the one on the right will move at half speed, so that the robot will turn right to where the trash is. Lastly, if none of the sensors are detecting any trash, then the robot just stops moving altogether, like so. As you can see, now both of the motors are at 0, because at that point, that means the floor is all clean, and so the cleaning robot has done its job. And so that's it for this robot.